Hey guys, good morning. I have like about 10 more minutes to clock in. So this is my breakfast again today. Banana, right? I got my banana. I wash my hand anyway. It's my food. So I have my kiwi. Okay? I have two kiwi. That's I'm gonna they're good. So if you do this one every day, you know, um like eat this one every day or 4 times a day. No, 4 times a week. You'll be good. At the same time, you'll be, do your exercise daily too. Because everything we do that you that you know uh it's good to yourself or to your health, do it. Okay. So eating fruits every day is good. And that's I lose weight actually. I'm cutting my carb. See? So I'm gonna cut this one. Got it. Look at it. Hold on. I want you guys to see it. Like that. See? I cut it like this. I need to hurry up because I'm gonna clock in let's say 8 minutes. Right? So yeah, this is what my breakfast every day, most likely. Kiwi is good for you too. Banana is good. You have actually in your banana you already have a little bit carb, right? We got potassium there too. This is all calcium, vitamin C. Okay, see, nice, right? Now, what's this? Tangerine. Okay, I have my tangerine too. I cannot make a lot, so if I cannot finish, that's gonna be my lunch too, right? So make this thing exercise for you. Daily food, that's not enough for me, right? So yeah, and I get some egg also. So guys, try to practice practice this for yourself, you know so that's it. Now, one thing I want to show it to you too. I only eat 2 kiwis every day. Okay? And one thing that I would like to show it to you is, no, not that one. My peanut butter for my banana. Look. Have to cut it like that. Voila. See, that's my protein there already. Right? Look at this. Oh. Yeah. Spread that. Like if you spread to your own sliced bread. Right? See? That's it, guys. Simple as that. Right? So, yeah. Do that every day. But some people said it's acidic, it's a acid, too much acid. Well, so look at that. Then I'm gonna make my own coffee also. I represent this coffee. This is a herbal one. This made from the Philippines. One of my friend, mother is making this one. This is their product, okay, in the Philippines. I wish that we can buy it here so that we can buy it here in United States. But one of my friend ordered there, or our friend delivered, send us here. So anyway, I'm just trying to let me see, what time is it now? I'm just trying to introduce to you this one, okay? Add life. I mean to say, the more you drink this coffee, the more you add your life. I believe that's what it is, right? So this is they have a guyabano, malunggay actually, stevia. I don't know what is stevia. Barley grass, agaricos, goto cola, spirulina. Wow. But this is a herbal coffee, you know. Okay, let me go and clock in right now. This is about time, I guess. Alright, guys. Yeah, see? Hold on. Now, that's my food for today. That's my breakfast. Okay, guys? And, alright. I'll see you later again. Let me clock in. It's about time to clock in, actually. Right? So, yeah, that's my daily food. Well, actually, I cheat. Sunday, I ate rice, actually. Or either Saturday. Yeah, I ate rice Saturday. So, okay. I'll see you, and that's my egg. I'm boiling 2 eggs. Okay? Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Later, alligator. Bye-bye.